Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, we will learn together with hands-on practice how to roll back or how to downgrade iOS from any iPhone device without losing data, either mistakenly or deliberately. You have updated with 26 iOS with latest 8 beta version. How do you downgrade to a 26, 18.5 or 17 or 16 iOS? Sometimes it's also very useful to a jailbreaks if we go for lower version of iOS. So now, first and foremost, we will see automatically it is recommending to a downgrade. If it is not, then either it is assigned or unsigned IPSW. With the help of alternative tool, we will try to install it and upon. Of course, we will go for either you would like to use it or jailbreak of any particular device. So how it is, especially see guys, first and foremost, we will come in especially to check it out the manually it is recommending or not. So tap on a setting. In setting 2, of course, we will have to come general 2, of course, software update, and software update, see here it is not recommending to a downgrade. If I go for update automatically, it is, see here, not recommending. So what we can have, don't worry, the manually with the help of computer, just install a 3U tool, go for energy administration, and upon here, just we will click on a smart flash to the connected data cable, and upon refresh it. So here is a one option given that alternative 18.6.2, of course you can raise Wi-Fi, of course. It's not a chargeable guys, a free tool, of course. If you would like to have some, then you can download from the description box, don't worry. Now here, see, either we can download or import in the iOS. So these IPSW 18.6.2 iOS this can be downloaded from some various websites. One is that www.3u.com, second is that ipsw.com, ipsw.meta.com, or on itself people, of course. Now here is option after. Firstly, we will try to download. So after downloading, of course, we will go for, or directly we can import if we have a downloaded and you would like to import, and then from the third website, of course, and now you can approach by importing. It has started to download, guys. Here is the retaining options, quick flash mode, and recovery. What we will pick and the quick flash. Here we will have to, if you want to lose your data, then of course select the quick flash mode or anti-recovery. If you don't want to lose any apps and application or the inside of the data, then of course we will come with the especially retain user data. After selecting the retain user data, it's especially see downloading, and then we will tap on here flash. So it's downloading. At the moment we cannot proceed here, but this fixed battery also during the flash would be highlighted, and don't select, so otherwise manually you will have to put this device into the recovery or boot. And after deselecting this ones, go for hit this flash. So after downloading, automatically it will be especially when downloading will be completed, automatically it will be especially yes install on it. So when we taps, now see it has executed. Now you don't have to do anything, so guys. After downloading, automatically it will be especially switched from the 26 to the iOS especially 18.6.2. but one thing more also I would like to tell you here, it's started to a download, so it will complete a downloading, and thereupon of course it will be installed. On the other hand, we have also the clue, we will come to firmware, and we can select. So right now see it has started. Let me pause firstly, and then I would like to show you here. See, this is especially signed version, but you would like to go especially unsigned versions, and then right now the firstly we will have to disconnect, otherwise it will not especially be a functional. So unsigned IPSW, how do you approach? Just to see, if I disconnect fines, now this firmware has been highlighted. Now see, firstly we will try to select the phone. So it's a phone, iPhone is especially maybe especially 12 series. So just pick this ones. Now see beta version cam here, unsigned IPSW, how do you especially now see 18.5, 18.4, 18 points, especially on the 17, of course, I'll show that we can. So hit the download. After downloading, of course, then we will go for especially install directly with the help of the similar strategy. So unsigned IPSW, this is a special detection the way that, of course, so that we can approach here. That is a 17. Now see here, this one. This is a 17. If we start to download, the quickly it will be a start to download. But right now we'll go with especially that version. Just to connect data cable and don't do anything. So just to do a similar strategy, automatically within a 20 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes it will be updated with apps and application. Everything will be quite clear, and there will be no especially any kind of Sunday issues will be similar. So this is all about, guys. Right now it has I would like to continue downloading, and so downloading what especially everything I have executed. So after completing, automatically it will be especially installed. So this is all about. Don't worry, guys. If you think that especially this is informative and of course acknowledgeable, so then don't forget to like, comments, and set up this conscience. So thank you for your staying till the end of this tutorial. This is a technology welfare, and I will be back with especially step by step the tutorials next time. So thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.